Good morning, students. Last time we have seen the theory of the PPI, that is known as the profit prior to incorporation. Now let's we do the one very important practical question on PPI. Let's we read the question. The promoter of the proposed new company, Jal Limited, purchased a running business on 1st Jan 2017. This date is very important. Huh? You have to keep in mind. From Mr. Raj, the new company was incorporated on 1st May 2017. So again this DOI, that is known as a date of incorporation, very important to divide the pre-period and post-period. The profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2017 was as under. So this is a question. Okay, rent, rates, insurance, electricity 24,000. That director setting fees 7,200. Preliminary expenses 9,800. Selling expenses 11,000. Interest paid to vendor 20,000. Net profit 2,40,000. 3 lakhs gross profit and discount received with 12,000. This is a trial balance and we have to see the adjustment. So first adjustment, sales up to 30 April 2017 was rupees 6 lakhs. Of total sales 30 lakhs from the year. Total sales for the 12 months, how much? 30 lakhs. First, from the April, sales up to April, how much? 6 lakhs. We will do working out on sales ratio. Second, purchase up to 30 April 2017, 6 lakhs. Out of total purchase rupees 18 lakhs of the year. टोटल साल का कितना है 18 लैक्स. अप टू अप्रैल कितना है 6 लैक्स. अगेन वी विल डू वर्किंग नोट ऑन परचेस रेशियो. थर्ड, इंटरेस्ट पे टू वेंडर वाज एट द रेट ऑफ 12%, 2 lakhs per annum till the payment was made. Again we will do a special working note on interest to vendor. From the above information, prepare the statement of profit and loss account for the year ended 31st December 2017. This is very important. So here it is given 31st December 2017. Show the pre and post incorporation profit, and thereafter will be treated as a in the account. So we will see that how and how will be treated in the accounts, that will do. So let's we see the first working note about the time ratio. So time ratio, what happened in this case, we always write end of the financial year, and what is the end of the financial year is given 31st December 2017. तो ये इसको पहला लिखना है. So you have to write first 31st December 2017. When we are ending with the December, that means we are starting with the January. तो सेकंड इसको लिखना है. क्या लिखना है? 1st Jan 2017. Now we will come to know date of incorporation. In question we have given date of incorporation 1st May 2017. तो हम लोग ने यहाँ लिखा 1st May 2017. Now what we will do to find out the pre-period? We will start from the January, February, March, April. क्योंकि 1st May को क्या मिला आपने को? DOI. तो वो पोस्ट में चला जाएगा. कौन सा? मे वाला. सो 1, 2, 3, 4. सो 4 months इज अ प्री पीरियड. आफ्टर दैट May to December विल कम टू द पोस्ट पीरियड. एंड हाउ मेनी मंथ्स? 8 months. सो वी गॉट 4:8. सो वी गॉट 1:2. एंड इन दिस वे always we have to find out the time ratio, and we got time ratio 1:2. So this is the first working note you have to do. नोटबुक लेना है, पेन लेना है और सॉल्व करना है. सेकंड, सेल्स रेशियो. नाउ इन क्वेश्चन वी गॉट द हाउ मच सेल्स वी हैव गिवन 30 lakhs फॉर द फुल ईयर. दैट मीन्स 30 lakhs फॉर द फुल ईयर. सो व्हाट हैपन अप टू April? So January, February, March, April, that is same period, that is called the pre period. So pre में कितना था? 6 लाख. तो पोस्ट में कितना मिलेगा? वी विल फाइंड आउट. 30 lakhs पूरा साल का given in the question, 6 lakhs given in the question, that is the pre-period. Now we will find the post period. So 30 lakhs minus 6 lakhs, 24 lakhs. Now 6 lakh or 24 lakhs, we will do the ratio. So 6 lakhs is to 2 lakhs. All 0 cancel. We will get a 1:4. And in this way, we will find out the sales ratio. So we got sales ratio 1:4. After that, थर्ड एडजस्टमेंट वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट, इंटरेस्ट टू वेंडर. सो हम लोग को कितना पैसा भरना है? 2 lakhs. ओके, व्हाट इज द रेट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट? 12. सो 12 upon 100. सो कितना मिला? 24,000 पर ईयर. बट इन टीबी क्वेश्चन सेज दैट वी पे 20,000. वी पे 25,000. वी डिड नॉट पे 24,000 बिकॉज एज सुन एज 20 वी पेड, आफ्टर दैट वी पे द फुल अमाउंट 2 lakhs. तो उसके बाद इंटरेस्ट देने की कोई जरूरत नहीं है. सो जनवरी टू अक्टूबर कैसे मिला? जनवरी, फरवरी, मार्च, अप्रैल, मई, जून, जुलाई, सितंबर, अक्टूबर. सो वी विल टेक 20,000 अपने को दिया है क्वेश्चन में. ओके, 20,000 डिवाइड बाय 10. वाई 10? बिकॉज अप टू अक्टूबर दिस इज क्वेश्चन में दिया. अक्टूबर तक हम लोग 20,000 पे किया. सो जनवरी टू अक्टूबर 10 months. सो 20,000 डिवाइड बाय 10 विल गेट 2,000. सो 2,000 हर मंथ में हम लोग क्या किया? पेड किया हुआ है. सो वी विल फाइंड आउट द ratio. So what happen? We'll got to find out the ratio also on this one. Now you have to find out how much pre and how much post. This is a homework for you. After that, we will do the solution. Okay? So we'll prepare the one full page format. Vertical format. Which format? Vertical. So particular, basis, pre and post. Pre and post. So gross profit always divided on sales ratio. So we got 30 lakhs. That 30 lakhs divided on sales ratio, and we already find in working note 1:4. So that's a working note. Second, discount received. अपने को मिला है. So we'll find a purchase ratio 6:12. So कितना मिला? 4,000 and 8,000. After that total we get 6 plus 4, 64,000, and 2,40,000 plus 8,000, 2,48,000. Okay. After that we will do like expenses which is given the question. First, rent, rate, insurance and electricity 1:2. Question में दिया आपने को how much? 24,000. That 24,000 divided in the ratio 1:2. So we got 8,000 and 6,000. After that, director sitting fees. Always write post. Always write post. So 7,200. See we have done the chapter 1 table. Which item appear in the pre and which item appear in the post. That you have to revise. Prelim expense always post. So 9,800 always post. Selling expenses divided on sales ratio. So this sales total expenses divided on sales ratio. So we got 2,200 and 8,800. Interest paid to vendor 20,000. We have done the special working note. Pre में कितना? 8,000 and post में कितना? 12,000. See the date of incorporation we got on 1st April. So January, February, March, April. So 2 into 4, 8,000, and remaining come in the post period. After that, see the 1st Jan to April 4 months and May to October 6 months. About this specified. Total expenses will get. जितना भी है expenses उसका total लिया. So how much got? 18,200 and 53,800. Now income minus expenses. Income minus expenses. So pre में कितना मिला? 45,800 and post में कितना मिला? 1,94,200. So pre profit always transfer to capital reserve and post will transfer to the profit and loss account. So this is a analysis of the question. This is a solution of the question. Try to solve it, and all the best for your exam.